Okay, well hello everyone, welcome to my video. The reason I'm making this video is because I wish someone had made one when I was looking for a solution to the problem that I had. So the problem that I had was I've got an inflatable canoe, and whilst I can pump it up by hand, I have two of them, it can get quite hot and sweaty. So what I was looking for was a quick way that I could use these valves, which are the Halkey-Roberts valves, which come in and out like so, and find an easy way and a quick way to inflate them. So the first thing I did was buy one of these Sevlor 12 volt electric pump. Really good pump. Pumps it up to the correct PSI if you use the right controls. The pain though, as you'll see here, is it needs plugged into a 12 volt socket, which is absolutely fine if you're doing it out of the car, but it's still a hassle. You've still got to run a cable, and more importantly, I quite often end up down by the river's edge where there isn't a 12 volt supply. Now I know you can get battery packs etc, but it seems like a lot of faff. So I happened to be in Lidl last year and I saw this and I thought, I wonder whether that would work. So it comes with two pumps. One is a high pressure valve, which is that one, and the other one is a high volume compressor. So here it is, and I bought it and it works really well. So I use that to pump up my kayak. However, there was an issue. The issue that I came across was that when you put this little bit which I've made, which is the Halkey-Roberts valve adapter attached to just the standard adapter that comes with a kit like that, but just a different size. The issue that I had was when I put this in and clicked it into place, I was really struggling to get it off quick enough that I didn't lose half of the volume. And if you put it in the way it should be, which is the valve, if I can get it to work, with the valve out like that, then actually it doesn't have enough force to get the air into the pump. So what I did was I got one of these adapters, it was off eBay, that's got a screw in it to adjust, and I adjusted the screw so that it puts that just down enough to allow the air to go into it. So I'll show you what I mean. It pumps it up most of the way, and then I just use a hand pump to do the final little bit. So what I do is I just put that on there, and then with the valve out, I just connect it, and you'll see that it blows it up pretty quickly. So the minute I take it off, no air escapes, which is great because it means it's trapped there. And then as you can see, it's pretty good. It still needs a bit of final pumping because it won't get the final, it needs the final push. But, and just to show you the other side, now you can hear the air escaping. That's because I haven't put the valve in. So if I put the valve back out to where it should be, so that was the problem I had in the first place. So if I do that properly now, as you can see, no more air escapes. So I can highly recommend a bit of a bodge with a little high volume inflator. Runs off a battery pack, get multiple charges, or rather You get multiple inflates out of a charger, and I also use it for inflating stuff like boats or giant inflatable rubber ducks and that kind of thing that the kids want to play with. So there you go. I think it's a really good investment, and it's pretty easy. It was about £40. Yeah, there you go. Okay, hope that helps. Bye.